Application for caveat section 148A of CPC. One 148A of CPC 1908. So a caveat is a Latin term which means let a person be aware. Originated in the mid-16th century, in law it may be understood as a notice, especially in probate, that certain actions may not be taken without informing the person who gave the notice. It may simply be understood as warning. In the CPC of 1908, it was inserted under Section 148A by the recommendations of the Law Commission of India's 54th report and was inserted by the CPC Act 104 of 1976 amendment, the right to launch a caveat. So, where an application is expected to be made or has been made in a suit or proceedings instituted or about to be instituted in a court, any person claiming a right to appear before the court on the hearing of such application may launch a caveat in respect thereof. Where a caveat has been launched under subsection 1, the person by whom the caveat has been launched hereinafter referred to as the caveator shall serve a notice of the caveat by registered post, acknowledgement due on the person by whom the application has been or is expected to be made under subsection 1. Third, where after a caveat has been launched under subsection 1, any application is filed in any suit or proceeding, the court shall serve a notice of the application to the caveator. Fourth, where a notice of any caveat has been served on the applicant, he shall forthwith furnish the caveator at the caveator expense with a copy of the application made by him and also with copies of any paper or document which has been or may be filed by him in support of the application. So, where a caveat has been launched under subsection 1, such caveat shall not remain in force after the expiry of 90 days from the date on which it was launched unless the application referred to in subsection 1 has been made before the expiry of the said period. Now, there are 5 basic ingredients to the section. So, first, who would launch a caveat, then duties of the caveat and duty of the court and duties of the applicant. Then, a copy of the application made by him, copies of any paper or document which has been filed by him in support of his application, copies of any paper or documents which may be filed by him in support of his application. Now, life to a caveat petition. The life of the petition is 90 days from the date on which it was launched. The only exception is if the application already exists or has been made before the said period, the clause ceases to exist. So, all of the above 5 ingredients are vital to a caveat petition. All the above are to be followed austerely. So, the ones that I've told are the duties of the applicant. Now, the duty of the court after a caveat has been launched under clause 1. If an application is filed in a suit or proceeding, the court shall serve a notice of the application to the caveator. Then comes the duty of the caveator. So, whatever are the duties of the caveators are mentioned in clause 2. Then, who may launch the caveat is mentioned in clause 1. That's all. Thank you.